And I have to say to you that first I tried to do myself 2 times with the muslin cloth, and it's too thin, so it doesn't work. I show you the cloth, that how important to have the right cloth, otherwise it won't work. Yesterday I made a small video, like a very short video, on how I did my sugar wax, and was my first time. I did in the format of Instagram, so I can share on Instagram TV, and also on my Facebook. But then some of you asked me and very show me interest that you want to know how I did it. I know that there's so many videos, plenty of videos already on YouTube, but then you asked me that you want to know my ingredient and the recipe that I actually did for myself. I was thinking, okay, why not I share with you and just combine the video I already made. So I'm just gonna tell you now the ingredient I use for this DIY sugar wax. I actually use about 300 grams of raw sugar and a cup of water and 1 big lemon. And I have to say to you that first I tried to do myself 2 times with the muslin cloth, and it's too thin, so it doesn't work. I show you the cloth, that how important to have the right cloth, otherwise it won't work. So actually it's a good point, because most of the video I found on YouTube, they only talk about how to make the wax, but they didn't talk about the cloth at all. And I did 2 times, which means 4 times of this cloth. This is a muslin cloth that I got online, and it's good for dry your face. When you wash your face, you use this cloth to dry your face. It's better to use a towel, because the muslin cloth is quite airy, but this is too airy to use as to take out the hair, to remove the hair. I tried 4 times, actually 2 times one side and 2 times another side. It doesn't work because the wax kind of go through it and it doesn't stay, and also the heat come out, because the wax when you put under your arm, it has to be still a little bit warm, not that hot, because it's going to burn your skin. So you have to wait and until like cool it down a little bit, until when you put on your hand and you feel that it's not burn you, so you can use under your arm. So this is the right cloth that I use. I have no idea also this going to work. I just something in my mind like it has to be something thicker than the muslin cloth, and I thought, oh, I have this one. This is like a canvas. Can I show you? It's like a canvas material, and I got it to wanting to make label, like I said to you. So now I'm gonna cut the videos. Sorry for the format. So you put everything in the pot and make sure that you keep moving the spoon or the whisk all the time. First I use the stove a little bit more high than now, like let's say medium, until you see all this bubble coming up. Then you put it low into the just number 1 and keep it like that. Keep stirring it until you see everything is mixed nicely. Turn it off the stove and let it cool down. Don't use it yet. And this is what I got afterward. It's quite a lot with the ingredient, with 300 grams of sugar that I use. Look at this jar, is full, and I can't just use it again and again for a long time. I think you can keep it about 6 months. That's what I heard. I will see. I will keep you up to date. I just gonna put it in a jar and I take it out. This is in the bowl, you see. So what you see in this little bowl is more than enough to wax your armpit. Now you just go prepare, cut your canvas cloth that I showed you before, big enough that would cover both of your armpits. So you need 2 pieces. And this is my armpit before. I keep it for like I think 2 months because I want it to be long. I don't know, maybe longer. I didn't keep counting, but I think the length is good enough for do the wax. This is, you can see I have some irritation on my arm because of the heat when I was in Thailand. In the end, I have to ask Kai to help me because I try a couple times myself and it doesn't work because I have to hold up my hand all the time, and it's like, yeah, I think it's nicer someone help you to do. And this is the result. I really amazed how it turned out. This second one, it come out much better than the first one, because the first one is like, I think I'm trying to give him an idea how to do it, and I realized that it's good to trust him. So here was the first one. That's a lot because I wanted to have it long enough to be able to come out. good. And this is on the first armpit and didn't come out everything, so we have to do one more time with the small clot. And you can see the spot of blood, but not really, I mean, it didn't feel painful or anything, but just a little bit blood come out. But the second one is so good. When I let him do himself, you can see that he make the hair goes in one direction, and when he pull just one time, everything come out. I'm super happy because it's my first time making. I'm super happy because it's my first time making this sugar wax myself. I never do it before. I just learned from YouTube, and it just it's working, and super happy with this. It's experimental, so maybe next time I'm gonna wait until my armpit hair grow again, and maybe next time we can film something like during the time while we're making it, and I can share it with you how I did it. Alright, I hope you don't think this disgusting. I just think that it's cool. We can, you know, share this natural remedy. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you like this kind of life DIY, life hack, and what I make that is good for me and is work for me, just comment down below and I will make more video like this to share with you as well. And I want to let you know, don't forget this video Indra top that I make especially just for you, because you've been asking, you want to have a tutorial because some of you don't know how to read a pattern. So this is just dedicated just for you. And also I have another video. Many of you asked how to create a bra cup that fits you. So this one is made just for that. Make sure you check it out. Have a beautiful day, and I see you later. Bye bye. Mwah.